Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Hindi University. Wish you all a very happy new year. As you all know, my name is Ashutosh, and we meet every Sunday, 8 a.m. US Pacific time, which is time on the west coast of the US to learn about the Hindi language. And this is sort of our onboarding session for 2026. And I'm really excited to welcome all of you, the existing Hindi University, the community, as well as the new folks who are joining for the very first time. On behalf of Hindi University, a very warm, a very happy new year and welcome to HU. Um, and this is sort of our onboarding call. So the goal for this class is really bring you up to speed about what HU ecosystem is, what Hindi University community is, and so that way you can become part of it throughout the year and years after, and then continue to learn not just through the Sunday classes, but all the resources and the practice sessions that we have for everyone's disposal, right? Hopefully, you'll be able to at least get a glimpse of the Hindi University ecosystem. So if you're new to HU, you can visit hindiuniversity.org, and we'll be giving you overview of that as well during the session. But in a very brief, manner, we've been doing the Hindi classes for the last 18 years, and we're meeting every Sunday to go over the Hindi learning concept. We've gone over a lot of academic books, a lot of practice sessions have been conducted. The community is, spread out in many countries. Some are actively involved, joining the classes as well as the practice sessions. Some are just, watching the videos and sharing their comments and, all the question that they have. Okay. The community is open source by design because the learning should be accessible for everyone, and the idea is to kind of make the language learning pattern so easy so that regardless of your native language is English or any other language, you should be able to catch up on that. The classes are absolutely free. The practice sessions are also free. All we need is your sort of commitment that you are sincere about it and continue to work on the exercises as well as the any of the homework that you will be getting. Yeah. So that's a little bit about HU.